This is Village Auto's 2011 Nissan Murano SL all-wheel drive. Absolutely pristine one-owner vehicle, accident-free, verified through auto check. The rear wiper, rear defrost, power rear liftgate, rear backup camera, privacy glass, alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires. Very well-maintained SUV. This one does come equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 motor, along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $10,550. So there's a full leather interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. You have the full power options, power driver's side seat with memory, power passenger seat, power moonroof, AM/FM CD player with the navigation, USB and auxiliary inputs, dual automatic climate control, Bluetooth, heated front leather seats, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the heated steering wheel. Just all got a very clean, very well maintained SUV that runs and drives all perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto for this 2011 Nissan Murano SL all-wheel drive home with you today.